Welcome to our quick guide on decoding website analytics for growth. We'll show you how to understand your data and boost your website's performance. Let's get started. First, focus on key metrics. These include traffic, how many visitors are coming to your site. Bounce rate, percentage of visitors leaving after viewing only one page. Average session duration, how long visitors stay. Conversion rate, how many visitors complete a goal, like making a purchase or signing up. Understanding these tells you where you're succeeding and where you need improvement. Next, step 2, analyze user behavior. Remember, decoding analytics isn't a one-time task. Look at which pages visitors land on, how they navigate through your site, and where they drop off. This helps you optimize user experience and guide visitors toward your goals. Step 3, segment your audience. Break down your data by demographics, devices, or referral sources. For example, see if mobile users bounce more than desktop users, so you can tailor your mobile experience. Now, step 4, track campaign performance. Use UTM parameters to monitor how different marketing efforts, like social media or email campaigns, drive traffic and conversions. Finally, step 5, set goals and act. Define clear objectives, monitor progress regularly, and adjust your strategies based on your insights. Remember, decoding analytics isn't a one-time task. Continually review your data, experiment, and optimize for growth. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on website growth.